Hey guys, this is Dragoon4 from PowerBot. Today I'm going to show you how to compile local scripts. This is a highly requested video for new people who really don't know how to do this. It's very simple, doesn't require any downloads, you don't need Eclipse or anything if you're using the method I'm going to show you. So first off, we're going to start off by creating a folder. We're going to name this whatever you want, RSBot folder, something like that. Inside this folder, we're going to create two other folders. We're going to create a folder called bin and another folder called src for source. And the purpose of these two folders is to put your class files. You put that in the bin, and the code you put that in your source folder, and I'll explain that later. So now you'll need to download the bot. So let's download the bot from PowerBot. So yeah, get the latest version, Alright, so obviously I already have it, but I'll just keep it. So now folder. And now we're going to put the RSBot. We're going to put the RSBot jar inside the folder. So now we have it here. Create another. Now inside this folder, we'll create another text file, and we're going to call this Run.bat. And in the text file, we're going to put the code. Where is the code? Hold on. This code right here. Essentially, this code basically tells the computer to use Java and open up the jar file with this amount of memory. So right here you see 2048, and that means it's going to allocate 2 gigabytes of RAM to the RSBot jar. And this is important if you're trying to run the bot for more than 6 hours, because you're going to have to, because when Java crashes, and there's some variety of problems. So if you don't have 2 gigs of RAM to spare, you could do also a gig of RAM. So if you're going to do a gig of RAM, you just write 1024 megabytes. That's the M for megabytes, and you'd save it. You don't need the dev. This is the dev command. This is if you want to develop scripts. I don't recommend it if you're not trying to, so I'm going to take that off. Obviously, I've made a script, so I will use the dev command. But so save it. And alright, to edit. So as I said, you have to make it as run.bat. Alright, so now we have our folder set up. Now we can actually go look for a script and see what scripts you want. So for this example, I'll be using my script. So we'll use my script if you want to add it, since it's not in the SDN yet. So here's my script. It's a JXXX switcher. It works pretty well. Tested myself. So alright, so you go to the paste bin, right, and you see all this code and everything, so scroll all the way down. It's the Java code. This is where the magic happens. So copy it all. Alright, so you know how to do that. Control C. Copy it all, and then go to your source folder, create a new text file. Alright, so here we go. I copied it all. Here it is. I'm going to go look for the class, the main class declaration, which is right here. So it'll say public class, and you're going to save it as whatever it says after the class. So it's going to be, so we're going to save it as jadswitcher.java. Save as jadswitcher.java. Alright. It's going to say, Java file. Alright, 12 page. Now this is going to compile a script. So there's many different ways to compile a script. You can use Eclipse, you can use a command line compiler, but this is the way I use it. This is a website. You don't need to have JDK or anything. Well, I don't know if you actually, I don't know if you need to have JDK or not. But anyways, so this is what you're gonna do. So you're gonna look for your RSBot folder. So where is it? RSBot. Somewhere. Oh, here it is. RSBot. You go to your source. JXXX switcher. Boom. Open. There you go. Then your jar file, you need to add the RSBot jar. RSBot. There it is. Open. And yep, so then you're gonna go to JDK version. For most scripts it doesn't matter, but for my script you need the latest version, so you can do 1.7. I'll just do 1.7 for every script, it doesn't matter. Compile. Boom. You're gonna get no errors, nothing. That's good. So it's good. So all classes.zip. Save. What is it? Yes. So I have WinRAR, so you're gonna have to extract the file through whatever unzipper program you have. So, and you're gonna take all these class files. This is take all these class files and put it in the bin folder of your botting folder. So where's RSBot? So put it in your bin folder. Okay. All right. So now we have a script that should hopefully work fine. So there it is. Here's all your class files. This is your compile. This is the Java bytecode. I think that's what it is. Yep. That's how the computer knows what to do. Here's my script, effortless JAD. Press play. And now we have a local script compiled. Alright, there you go. Okay guys, I hope this helped you out. I made this specifically for people who are using my script. They don't really know how. So, alright, hope this helped you guys out. And good luck botting.